Okay, Gary here from the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy. We're on day one, at the end of the day. Let's see what we've been up to. Okay, we put a reuse zip, magnetic zip in here. It just folds up and then just pops back in, just like that. Boom. That's our door, because we've got a couple of leads running out of there. Now what you'll find, guys, is we've set up 6 drying chambers. We're trying to emulate 6 different jobs here. I know we've got a lot of power running, but you know, we would dry it different if we were drying it as one big room. But we're trying to dry it as 6 rooms to do some education. We've got this little fan here drying both sides of this wall. We've got a boost bar here running here to dry this wall. And the temperature coming out with 1446 watts is 30 C. Okay? But we've turned the amperage down on this because we've got it into a power box. So we've only got less amperage coming out of this one here. We're at maximum power right now. We've got a little fan going in here. This is glue down carpet. And we've got an Ariel 8740 here. We've got some good grain depression coming out of this one, about 11 grain depression from each one of these 2 Ariel machines. We've got an air conditioning system up here running to look after the air temperature in this room. Okay, so let's have a look at our readings on our screens. Okay, we're at 46. We're at 31. This one's been running a little bit longer. Nice. Okay. In this room here, we've got a big Ariel 8780. Fan stand, axial fan. And a small flat fan to go around the wall. Now what we've got in here, what's going on? We've got our Drymatic 2 pumping heat down in this fire check wall, and we're pulling the wet air from up the top, 28 mil. And then what you'll find here, this is what we've got going on. 33 degrees, 39 RH inside that wall cavity. It's only that wall cavity we're drying with that. Exhausting outside the building. So, this is this area here. So we pulled the beds out of these 2 rooms. And this is our big wall system that we built. Curtain wall and hay wall. Now what we've done here is we're pulling the wet air, we're pulling the dry air from underneath the house. We're pulling the dry air from this dry room here with these dehumidifiers up there as well. So what have we got over here in this bedroom? So again, each one of these are separate chambers. In here we have a Trotec TTK 175. Some axial fans, and here's our little Trotec humping away here. Really nice, with some good literage in there. Okay, so we'll measure all the water each day of the job. Let's have a look what we've got going on upstairs. So upstairs, what we've done here is we're top down drying the carpet as well. We've got an axial fan here. We've got a Halo air scrubber. Because this carpet's been wet a few times, we've got a little bit of an odour in here, so we've got a little air scrubber going. The other carpet in the other rooms are brand new. We've also got an Ariel 8780 running in this room. Over here, we set this up just to show you the sidewall clamps from the hay wall system. We've got a bathroom in there. It's coming out of this one. What we've got here, guys, is another magnetic zip, as you can see. Another magnetic zip to get in from Reuse Zip. And here's our heat drying out here. We've already reached 50 degrees on the floor already. So you'll find that the boosts are starting to ramp down. This boost here is 48 degrees with 1782 watts coming out. 6 heater banks with an air mover. Our Drymatic 2, we got 37 degrees coming out of our Drymatic 2, 36 RH. Over here, another boost. 50 coming out. Okay. In here we got a little bathroom. The energy from this room is going to be very well sealed in this bathroom. But as you can see, this curtain wall setup is really well done. And this is a halo hay wall system as well. Okay, let's go underneath the house. All right, underneath the house. Let's have a look. It's a bit harder to get in with me, I'm getting old. I've got a rug drying from upstairs. You've got 4 ports and 5 ports blowing up into the ceiling to dry, to replicate a 2-story house. We've got the Drymatic purring away here. Right? And we've got a couple of boosts purring away here. Alright, we've got another boost there with a L shape going up to the ceiling. And that's where our exhausts are going right now out of the building. Alright. So here we've set up a little wall. I'm going to close this up. This is a reuse zip. I'll just put this down for a second. So what you can see there, that's the reuse zip, that's the reusable zip. Okay. There we go, guys. Tomorrow, let's see what's going to be happening here. Thanks very much for watching, and we hope to see you soon. But hopefully I'll just give you a bit of a look in the classroom here. You can see what we're doing in here. There's our classroom setup. So, thanks for watching.